This is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more. Help us to share our videos and also subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Please, if you have not subscribed before, help us to subscribe on our button. Press the subscribe button. And also, if you have viewed, help us to share to your friends. This channel is a very nice channel. Any topic you want to pick up, make sure you start from part 1. This is second order differential equation part 5, which I'll be working on what? Inhomogeneous equation. I've done case 1 in my previous video, which is part 4. I've done the one of exponential function and the definition of inhomogeneous equation. Now, but in this video, I'll be walking you through the case 1 and case 2 and case 3. The case 2 is polynomial function. It means when my d of x is what is polynomial. I think we have done something like y prime of what plus 3y prime plus, okay, let me just see, a, b and c of y equals to what? D of x. Since is equals to d of x, it means it's called inhomogeneous equation. But if it is equals to 0, if my d of x equals to 0, it means it's called homogeneous equation, which is our part 2. I've done that one. Now, I've given a lot of cases. I have 3 cases. The case 1, which is when my d of x is an exponential function. We have done that one in our previous, which is part 4. Now, in this video, I'll be working on polynomial function. When my d of x, it will be what? Polynomial ax squared plus bx plus what? C. If my d of x is equal to that, that's what I want to work on. Now, example on them. And in my case 3, it means my case 3, we are talking about what? Supplementary function. If my d of x is equals to what? Sine x or cos x. That is what my supplementary function or tan x, and so on and so forth. Now, okay, that's what I want to work on. At the end of this video, you should be able to understand the first case, second case and third case. If you do not, let us get back to us and surely view it and review it and over and over. Maybe surely attend to. Now, if my d of x is equals to what? Is equals to something like polynomial. Now, for instance, if my d of x, if d of x, sorry, this is d of x, sorry, d of x is a polynomial. If d of x is a polynomial, that is to say, d of x, it will be equals to what? A naught plus, I can say my a naught s naught plus a1 s1 plus a2 x squared plus 1 2 3 and to what? A of n s of n. This is a polynomial cases. Now, if I have this type of function, that is what is mine. Now, it means I will just say let my y complement. Y complement. Y particular is to be equals to what? The a of this, which is my a naught x naught plus a1 s1 plus what? A2 x2 and so on and so forth to my an s1. This one means the last term. It means the last term. That's just it. For instance, if I have this type of problem, that I want to work on. I have this type of problem. Okay, I have y prime minus 3y prime plus 2y equals to what? Sine x squared. Sine 4x squared. Now, what I will just force to do is that my auxiliary equation, it will be equals to, it will be m squared minus 3m plus 2 equals to 0. It means I will be having, if I should factorize, I will be having m squared and also minus 2 times 1 m minus 2m plus 2 equals to 0, which my m will be equals to 2, my m will be equals to 1. Now, it means my y complement, it will be equals to what? A of x plus what? A of what? B of x2, 2x. That is my weight A complement. Now, if I have this, the first thing I will notice is that does this is this. I will now move on to the correction. My complement, it means I'm referring to what s squared. Now I'm having an s squared. It means my y particular, it will be equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. It means this is because of this particular problem. I mean, the particular here is a what? Is a polynomial. Is a polynomial of degree 2. Now, since I have this, I will now move on. I want to generate for this, and for this. Now it means my y prime of p, it will be equals to 2ax plus b. Now, my y prime of 2, it will be what? 2ax. It will be 2a, sorry, 2a. Now, I will now come back to my what? My initial equation, which is my equation 1, prime of minus 3y prime plus 2y equals to 4x squared. Now, I will now add my, which is, I'm having 2a, which is my prime, minus 3, which is going to be what? Bracket of 2ax plus b plus, now I'm having 2 of my first, which is going to be what? Bracket of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to what? 4x squared. Now, I can now successfully open my bracket, which I'll be having 6ax plus minus 3b plus 2ax squared plus 2bx plus 2c equals to what? 4x squared. Now, I will now compare my variable. The one that I have square, I have square here, and I have square here. It means 2ax squared equals to 4x squared, which is, this will cancel this will cancel this. It means my a equals to what? 2. My a equals to 2. I will move on to the next one. The one that has no x, only degree of 2, of 1. It means I'm having 1, I'm having this. It means I'll be having 2bx plus what? Minus 6ax equals to 0x. It means everything is 0, 0 will cancel out, 0 will cancel out, 0 will cancel out. It means, what is my a? My a is 2. I'll be having 12. 2b equals to what? 2 times, which is my a is 12. It will be what? It will be 12. Now, my b equals to 6. My b is equals to 6. How do I get my c? The one that has no, it means I'll come here again, 2a minus 3b plus 2c equals to 0, equals to 0 also. Now, what is my b? 6. My a is what? Is 2. I'll be having 4 minus 18 plus 2c equals to 0. This one will be what? 18 will be 14. It means 2c equals to what? 14. My c equals to 7. Now, it means my y particular now. My y particular, it will be equals to my y particular. You have derived for x, a, b, c. I will now come back. What is my a? My a is what? Is 2. My a is 2. It means I'll be having 2. I'll be having 2x squared plus, what is my b? My b is 6. 6x plus, what is my c? 7. That is my y particular. And we're told that our y particular is equals to what? Now, my y equals to y complement plus 1, y particular. Now, my y complement is what? Is this. It means my y equals to what? A e of x plus what? B e of what? 2x plus, I will now say that 2x squared plus 6x plus 7. That is my final answer. That is my final answer. Now, since I'm having my answer, that is all. That is all what I need to solve. Now, let me give more example on it. Let me give one more example on it. Okay. Okay. Help us to share, please share our videos. Now, if I have, for instance, I have y prime prime plus y prime plus 3y equals to 9x squared plus 4. Now, look at this case. It's this one is a bit critical. Now, how do I do it? My y complement, it will be what? What is the root of this? I think, sorry, y particular, m squared plus 4m plus 3 equals to 0, which is particular part. Now, complement. Now, how do I remember it? It means I'm having m bracket of m minus plus 1 and plus 3 bracket of m plus 1 equals to 0, which is I'm working on 1 and 3. Now, since I have this, my m equals to 3 minus 3, my m equals to minus 1. It means my y complement it equals to what? ae minus x plus b e minus 3x. That is my y particular. Now, I will now move on by having my what? My y complement. My y complement is, it means I'll be having, now at this point, I'll be having a x squared plus what? bx plus c. If this is degree 3, this also will be degree 3 downward. It means it will be 3 third polynomial. This is second polynomial, second degree polynomial. Now, since I have this, I will now move on by having, I want to generate this. My y prime of p, it will be what? 2x plus b. My y prime of p, it will be equals to 2e. Now, I will now move on like that, which is, I will now say that what? Y prime plus 4y prime plus 3y equals to ax squared plus 4. Now, what is my prime, which is going to be what? I'll be having 2a plus 4 brackets of 2ax plus b plus 3 brackets of ax squared plus bx plus c, close the brackets, equals to what? Equals to everything we're having in ax squared plus what? 4 plus 4. Now, since I have this, I can now open my bracket. How will I think I'll be having 2a plus, this one will be 8ax plus 4b plus 3x plus 3bx plus 3c equals to 9x squared plus 4. Now, since I have this, the one that has only variable, I think I'll be having, what is my x? Only this, this 3ax squared equals to what? 9x squared. This one will marvel this one. I will divide this by what? By 3x squared. By 3x squared. This will cancel this. This will cancel this. Here we cancel. My a to be equals to what? 3. My a is equals to 3. I will move on to the one that has only x variable. It means this and this. 8ax plus bx 3 equals to 0x. Now, it means I'll be having x bracket of 8a plus 3b equals to 0x. This will cancel this. I think that is going to be, I think my a is 3. 3 times 8, it will be 24. Now, 3b equals to what? Minus 3, 8 bracket of what? 3. Don't bracket, just divide by 3 by 3. 3 will cancel. My b equals to minus 8. Now, since I have my B as my minus 8, I will now move on to my C. My C, the one that has only a variable. It means I'll be having 2A plus what? 4B plus 3C equals to what? 4. My A is minus 8. I mean, my B is minus 8. Now, this one will be 6, which is A is 3, and B is what? Minus 4, which is going to be 32. 32 plus 3C equals to 4. This one will be 32, which is going to be 26. 26. Now, 3C equals to 4 plus 26. Because this is going to be minus 26. Now, which is going to be 30? My C equals to 10. My C is equals to 10. Now, since my C is equals to 10, I will now move on to my what? My particular. Now, it means my Y particular is to be equals to, there is no equal. Now, I think my Y particular will now be what? Particular is to be equals to, what is my A? I will now come here. AX squared plus BX plus C. My Y particular will now be, what is my A? My A is what? Is 3. 3x squared plus, what is my B? I'll be having minus 8s. My C is what? Plus 10. That is my Y particular. Now, and my equation, my Y equals to Y complement plus Y particular. My Y complement will now, okay, it will be what? What am I having on my Y? A of minus x plus what? B of what? Minus 2x plus what? My C, which is going to be what? 3x squared minus what? 8x plus what? 10. That is my final answer. That is my final answer. Okay. At this point, let me move on to case 2 of the what? Case 2 of the what? Of the, in my case 2, what is there is, I'll be working on my trigonometry function. I'll be working on trigonometry function. Now, and it's very, very also simple. It's very, very simple. After you have watched this thing, go to engineering maths, any advanced engineering maths, lay your hand on any book, any question there on that day. Okay, we still remain one, which is going to be part 6. I'm working on D operator. D operator. Now, I'm now on case 2. My case 2, case 3 rather. Case 3. Case 3, which is what? Trigonometry. Trigonometry function. Now, my trigonometry function. Now, note, suppose cos AX or sin AX is not a solution of, is not a solution of the homogeneous part. Now, I think you should know the meaning of homogeneous part. The other part of the, which is our complement, Y complement, or bracket what? Complement. Complementary part. It's named as homogeneous part. Complementary part. It means what? Then, okay, comma. It means my Y particular, it will be equals to K cos AX plus what? K2 sin AX. Sorry, AX. Yes. That is if you know. That is if number 1. Number 2. Suppose cos AX or sin AX is a solution of the homogeneous. You know the meaning of homogeneous now. Homogeneous part. Homogeneous part. part and appear. Sorry, and appear. Let me just review that word. Appear. Appearing. Appearing end term. It means my y complement, it will be equals to what? S is for number of appearing of what? K1 cos AX, plus K2, the constant to sine AX, close of brackets. That is going to be what? That is going to be it. Now, these two are what I'm going to work on this part. Now, for instance, if I have a problem this way, I have this as a problem. Y prime prime plus 2y prime plus 4y equals to what? Cos x. Now, my auxiliary equation is very important. Sorry, auxiliary equation will be m squared plus 2m plus 4 equals 0. Now, I will now move on to my, I think I will have this part will give me m equals to minus b plus or minus root of minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, it means my a is 1, my all this a equals to 1, b equals to 2, c equals to 4. Now, my m equals to, I'll be having minus 2, plus or minus root of 4 minus 4, 4 times 1 times 4, which is going to be 16, divided by what? Divided by 2, which also implies that I have 2, I have 12. Now, I have minus 2 plus or minus 12. Yes, root of minus 12 divided by 2. Now, it means my m equals to, I'll be having 2 root 3, which is I'll be having 1 minus 1 plus or minus I root of what? Of 3. Anytime we have something like this, it means complex. Sorry, root of minus 9 is equals to what? 3i. Please take note of that. It's very, very important. Under complex analysis, we will do more of that. I think maybe one of our video work on, not yet on it, but will soon be on it. Now, my complement, my y complement, it will be equals to what? E minus x bracket of, we have done this one in our previous video, complex and also b of sine root of what? 3x. I have this. Now, since I have this, I will now say that let my y particular will be equals to, what am I having here? This and this. Does s here, I think there's no any x here, no problem. Since it's not the equation, it's not among, there won't be any problem. It means my y particular will now be what? A cos x plus what? B sine x. B sine x. That is going to be, I will now move on my a prime of b, it will be equals to what? Minus a sine x plus what? B cos x. Now, I will now move on again, prime of p. It will be equals to minus e cos s minus b sine x. Now, I will now come back to the solution, to the equation, which is, my equation will now be what? My y, look at this, y prime prime plus 2y prime plus 4y equals to what? Cos x. It means at this point, where am I having my y prime prime? Okay, my y prime prime will be what? Minus x cos x minus sine x plus 2. Now, prime, it will be what? 2 of what? Prime is what? 2 of, it means this one will be minus a sine x plus 2b cos x, okay, plus 4. 4 of what? It means I'll be having a cos x plus 4b sine x are all equals to, cos x. Now, I will now start by having the one that have cos is related to what? Okay, look at this, and this, and sorry, I have a, and okay, I have this, okay, this and this. Okay, is there anything that I'm looking for the way for me something can cut off? I don't know. Let's try to check it very well. I'm having A here, I'm having A here, and also having minus. Minus is on straight there. Okay. I'm having A here, I'm having that. Now, I will now look for the one that can cut off. Is there anything that can cut off here? I have A, B, sine A, sine A. Okay. Now, is there anything that can cut off? Since there is nothing that can cut off, I will pack the one that has cos at one side. It means I'm having minus A, this is a cos 1, plus 2b cos x, and what? Plus 4a cos x equals to what? Now, I'm comparing the coefficient, which is going to be cos x. I will also move on to the next one, the one that has sign, minus b minus 2a, and okay, 2a and 6. I think I'm having plus 4a, bracket of what? 4 plus b, sorry, b, bracket of sine x equals to what? Equals to 0 sine x. Okay. Now, this, when you divide both sides by cos, it will cancel themselves. Cos will cancel, cos will cancel. Also, sine will cancel. Now, I will now move in. I'll be having what? I'm having this AA. I'll be having 3a plus 2b equals to 1, equation 1. And also, I'll be having bb. I'll be having 3b minus 2a equals to 0. Now, I think I can say that what? My b equals to, from equation 2, my b can be equals to what? To be equals to 2a divided by what? 3. Now, if I put my b on this part, it means I'll be having 3a plus 2 bracket times or multi bracket of 2a all over 3 equals to 1, which I'll be having 4 multiply it to be 9a plus 4a equals to what? 3. I multiply all through by 3. Now, which I'll be having 13a. My a will be equal to 3 all over 13. Sorry, my a is equals to 3 all over 13. I'll move on to the other part. Since my a is equals to 3 1 over 3, I mean 13, I will now move on to this part, which is going to be what? My b, it will be equals to 2a all over 3. What is my a? 13 all over 3. It means I'll be having b equals to what? Bracket of what? 13, I mean 3 all over 13 divided by what? Divided by 3. Which I'll be having, this will give me b equals to what? 6. Okay. Yes. Which is, I'll be having 39. 6 all over 39. All over 39. All over 39. I think even 3 will cancel 3. Which is, I'll be having 13 2 all over 13. Now, 2 all over 13. Since I have this, 2 all over 13, I will now come back to my what? To my normal y particular. It will be equals to what? What is my a? My a is equals to 3 all over 13 cos x plus, what is my b? My b will be equals to 2 all over 13 sine x. 2 all over 13 sine x. Since I have this, I can now move on to the next one, which is okay. Since I have this, I can now say that what my y equals to y complement plus what? Y particular, which is my y equals, what is my y complement? This is my y complement. I'll be having e minus x bracket of what? A cos root of x with 3x plus b sine root of 3x plus my y particular plus my y particular. My y particular is equals to what I'm having here plus 3 all over 13 plus x plus what? 2 all over 13 sine x. That's my final answer. Okay. Okay. Now let me give more example. There's no time again. I have to be very fast this time around. 1. Now, more example on this trigonometry part. If I have this type of problem, for instance, I have this type of problem. I have y prime prime plus 4y equals to 8 sine 2x. Now, let me quickly rush through mine. Now, my auxiliary equation, it will be equals to m squared plus 4 equals to 0. It means my m will be equals to plus or minus 2i. Plus or minus 2i. Root of minus root of 4. It will be minus root of 4 is equals to 2 because of what? To be root of, okay, let me just explain it. Root of 4 times root of minus 1. This is the complex. When we get to complex analysis, we do more of that. Now, since I have this, I can answer that what? My y complement, it will be equals to e of x raised to power 0 bracket of what? A of what? Cos 2x plus what? B of what? Sine 2x. Now, since I have this, I can now move on by having my y complement. Now, my y complement, it will be equals to, now how do I generate my y complement? This is here. This is here. Now, it means this is on point condition number 2 I stated at the beginning of this case. It means I'll be having a of x cos 2x plus b of x sine 2x. That is just it. And I will now move on. How do I generate my prime, y prime, and so on and so forth? This is my y complement. I think you know how to generate this one after. Oh, that is all about that. Now, I think don't forget that my y equals to what? Y complement for y particular. After finding a and b, that is just it. Once again, this is Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more. Help us to share our video and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, subscribe to our channel, Further Solutions Academy. Really appreciate you all. Help us to do more. In our next video, I'll be working on part 6, which is I'll be working on D operator. That's what I'm working on. Be sure you watch it. It's very good for you. Thanks for watching.